Top 10 Auto Repair in Los Angeles. 1. Superformance Foreign Auto Repair, 4.9 508 reviews, Cotner Avenue. 2. Onestop Auto Care, 4.9 423 reviews, N Eagle Rock Boulevard. 3. Otto's Tire and European Auto Repair, 4.9 306 reviews, Glendale Boulevard. 4. Hyperion Auto Repair, 4.9 184 reviews, Hyperion Avenue. 5. John's Auto Repair, 4.9 46 reviews, Virgil Avenue Unit B. 6. S&A Auto Diagnostics LLC Mobile Mechanic, 4.9 45 reviews, Marathon Street. 7. Pinky's, 4.8 312 reviews, Melrose Avenue. 8. JNS Onestop Auto Repair Incorporated, 4.8 203 reviews, W Olympic Boulevard. 9. Figueroa's Auto Repair, 4.8 125 reviews, S Figueroa Street. 10. JC's Auto Repair Shop Los Angeles, 4.8 114 reviews, Valley Boulevard #B.